So we have a coffee cake persimmon here. It's a non-astringent variety. Oops. Outside it looks just like a regular fuyu, but once you cut it, you'll see it has a little bit of a brownish flesh here. Each one is seeded because it's pollinated by the chocolate persimmon. This is cut horizontally, and it's a little bit more ripe than this one. So it looks like this. It's actually, all three is the same variety. The skin is quite soft. It is much sweeter than a regular fuyu, more flavorful. So I would say the regular fuyu would be bland tasting compared to this one. It's much more flavorful, much sweeter. I like it.